Hello everyone, my name is Aliar and you're watching TecTalk. Previously, we have initiated a course on Python on TecTalk where we are discussing about different concepts of Python from very scratch to advanced. And in our previous videos, we talked about data type and we talked about lists. And in today's videos, we are going to talk about one of the most important, data types in Python, and that is dictionary. So you might have questions in your mind that if we have list as a data type, we have tuples as a data type, why do we need dictionary as a data type? So let me explain it to you. So for example, if you have, let me create a file here, lesson number 8.py. Okay. So for example, if we have a series of things where we want to save something in series, for example, list to do, for example, audio, the names of audio files, the names of alphabets, or the names of cities in our previous. So in a series data, we want to use list to store that data in our program. For example, let's say cities. Last time we took this example in list. So cities is equals to, let's say, A, B, C, and C, D, and so on and so forth. So this is basically a list which we discussed about in our previous videos. So, but sometimes we do not have series data one by one after the another, or something like that. Sometimes we have data that we want to save in pairs. For example, first name, last name, phone number, address. So these are some of the data that we have from the real world that we cannot save in series. For example, my first name is Ali, my last name is Yar, and so on and so forth. So if I use list to store this, so I do not have any differentiator to see that in a list what is my first name, what is my last name, what is my phone number, what is my address, what is my WhatsApp number, and so on and so forth. So for solving this problem, we genuinely have dictionaries in Python. So if we consult the book that we are looking at it, for example, this is the data that we want to save. We do not have data type. We can store it in a list, of course, but we are missing the the value or the value pair that we want to store. For example, if I am saving David Elliot, David as a first name, Elliot as last name, then I do not have any indicator indicating that David is the first name, Elliot is the last name. So for solving this problem, we have a dictionary. A dictionary works something like a list, but instead of a simple series of things, a dictionary is a series of pairs of things. Each pair, a key, first name, this is the key, and the value, which is David. So key value pair is something what we call dictionary in Python. So if I show you in by writing a program, let me tell you that how do we, for example, details. Let's say we want to store customer details, not the customer details. All right. So we in list we used square brackets to basically define list. In tuples we used circle brackets, this are also known as parentheses in Python. In dictionary, when we want to define dictionary by curly brackets. And how it works, first of all, I want to save first name, okay, first name, and then I want to give semicolon, and this is my first name. I want to give comma, this is my second name, comma, phone number, with so you might have a question that can I write numbers? Yes, we can write numbers. So let me say address and semicolon, and here will be my address, related address. Okay, let me check if the recording working. right. So now you can see on the screen that I have defined a dictionary here. I have first name, which is called key. Then I have semicolon, the two dots, and then I have another string which is Ali in this case, which is of course the value of that key. So dictionary is basically key value pair series of data that we store in dictionary. So let me just print it to show how it looks when I print a dictionary customer details, and let me save it and let me run it. Lesson number let's say 8 and run. Have S in the end. So see, this is the first value, this is the second value, this is the third value, this is the fourth value, and this is our dictionary. So if I want to know the type of this, I simply will go and write type as we have done in our previous videos, and you will see that the type of the dictionary in Python is a dictionary, and you see that the class is dictionary. So now we will talk about how can we pick data from let me comment it. So pick data from dictionary. Okay. So in list, what we did, we get the data from indexing. For example, what do I have at the first index, then the second index, and the third index, and fourth index, and so on and so forth. So in dictionary, we do not have indexing, right? We have key value pairs. So if I want to access anything, any value from the dictionary, I need to call it with the key. For example, what do I mean by that? I want to get this number, I want to get the number from the details. So what I'm going to write is phone number. Let's say, let me define a variable called phone number. Let me assign it to customer details. And what do I want? I want the phone number. Okay. See, I got IntelliSense also works in this AD, so I got the phone here. So now if I want to print the phone number, I'm going to simply write the phone number, and it is going to be the phone number of the person from the details dictionary. So this is how I pick data from dictionary. One more thing, that the key should not be stringed always. We can use numbers as well. For example, I can say that I want to store 5 cities, or 2 cities for the sake of example. Let's say, let me comment it first so I do not get any errors. Let me comment the first word, and let me write that I want cities. I want to store 2 cities. Okay, so I want to define dictionary. So I want 0 should be Karachi, right? Karachi, and then I want city 1 to be Islamabad, okay? Islamabad, and so on and so forth. I can define as many as I want. So if I want to print the first value, I'm simply going to write the name of the dictionary, and I'm going to pass the key of the value. I'm going to get Karachi. So it is not necessary or mandatory for the keys to be only strings. The value, the key can be numbers as well. Likewise, the values can also be numbers, boolean, strings, whatever you want. You can define none, null. So you can define whatever data type, whatever value you want to define. So it's not mandatory to be string all the time. So in the previous example, we saw that how dictionary is defined, what are the keys, and what are the values, and how it's defined. Now we saw that how we can get the data from dictionary, how we can pick data from the dictionary. Now I want to show you that how can we add new key value pair to the dictionary. For example, I have the city dictionary here, and let me show you first. Let me remove this. I have customer details dictionary here, and now I want to add city of the customer in the dictionary. So how am I going to do that? Let me say that customer details is equals to customer details. I want to add customer details city. I want to add city in customer details, and that the value of the city should be Karachi. And now if I print the dictionary customer details, you will see that I do not have I did not define city here, right? Do not have city defined here. But when I print customer detail, we are going to see city included in the dictionary as well. See, the city, the key is city and the value is Karachi. So it means we can add values to the dictionary as well. So the way is that you want to write the name of the dictionary, and then you want to start square brackets. Within the square brackets, you want to give the key, the value of the key, and then you can add value to the dictionary, or it will become a key value pair in the dictionary. See, we can use numbers as key as well. So I said that I want 0 as a key, and in the dictionary customer details, and I want the value to be Karachi defined in the city. So this is how it works. Now we saw that how we can add key value to the dictionary, but now I want to show you that how can we remove values from the dictionary. So till here I have city. Let me define it again. I want to give the value of the key to be sorry, I didn't print anything. So let me print the customer details and save it and run it, and see Karachi is there. Now I don't want Karachi city to be added in the dictionary. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the key value pair from the dictionary. How can I do that? Here is how you can do that. We are going to write del, which means delete. From customer details, I want the city name to be removed from the customer details. So let me print the cities before this value. So let me call it before deleting the customer details, and here I want to say that after deleting the customer details, okay, let me save it and let me run it. See, if you see the dictionary before deleting, you will find that cities included in the dictionary with the value of Karachi, but when you see the customer details after deleting the city, you will find that city has been removed from the list. So we talked about dictionary today. We talked about what is dictionary, what are key value pairs, and how can we add and how can we delete it from the dictionary. So that's, I think, is enough for today. So go and check the book and do the examples that are there in the book and build your concepts. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you